the 2015 Porsche Boxster. Powered by a 2.7-liter six-cylinder engine with a 7-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This Porsche features power windows, a CD player, and rear spoiler. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, heated power mirrors, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.